Yeah. That being said, several separate lines of research, when considered together, have forced investigators to reassess who we think we are and where we think we came from. As we've already seen, when a large asteroid strikes a planet, the surrounding areas can recoil from the impact energy, catapulting rocks into space. From there, they can travel to and land on other planetary surfaces. Second, microorganisms can be hardy. Extremophiles on Earth can survive wide ranges of temperature, pressure, and radiation encountered during space travel. If the rocky ejecta from an impact hails from a planet with life, then microscopic fauna could have stowed away in the rocks' nooks and crannies. Third, recent evidence suggests that shortly after the formation of our solar system, Mars was wet and perhaps fertile even before Earth was. Mars probably had water. Thank you for the gift. Collectively, these findings tell us it's conceivable that life began on Mars and later seeded life on Earth, a process known as Panspermia. So all Earthlings might just be descendants of Martians. So I thought, we're not from Earth as in we were made, like the elements that make us were made in a star. But what he's saying is that Mars might have had life before Earth did. And if that is the case, then part of it might have ended up on Earth. Again and again, across the centuries, cosmic discoveries have demoted our self-image. Earth was once assumed to be astronomically unique until astronomers learned that Earth is just another planet orbiting the sun. Then we presumed the sun was unique until we learned that the countless stars of the night sky are suns themselves. Then we presumed our galaxy, the Milky Way, was the entire known universe. We do remember that, right? When we were speaking about the 20th century, remember, like back in the general relativity, special theory of relativity days, people thought that our galaxy might be it. They did not know about there were so many more galaxies and how large this universe was and that it was expanding. We talked about that. And thank you so much for the gifts. But yes, we at one point thought our galaxy was the entire universe when it is not even the beginning. It's just a little tiny part of it. Then we presumed our galaxy, the Milky Way, was the entire known universe until we established that the countless fuzzy things in the sky are other galaxies, dotting the landscape of our known universe. Today, how easy it is to presume that one universe is all there is. Yet, emerging theories of modern cosmology, as well as the continually reaffirmed improbability that anything is unique, require that we remain open to the latest assault on our plea for distinctiveness, the multiverse. Thank you for the gifts. I love the sparkles. Yay. The cosmic perspective flows from fundamental knowledge, but it's more than about what you know. It's also about having the wisdom and insight to apply that knowledge to assessing our place in the universe, and its attributes are clear. But expanding and cooler, yes. The cosmic perspective comes from the frontiers of science, yet it is not solely the provenance of the scientist. It belongs to everyone. The cosmic perspective is humble, spiritual, even redemptive, but not religious. The cosmic perspective enables us to grasp in the same thought the large and the small, opens our minds to extraordinary ideas, but does not leave them so open that our brains spill out, making us susceptible to believing anything we're told. The cosmic perspective opens our eyes to the universe, not as a benevolent cradle designed to nurture life, but as a cold, lonely, hazardous place, forcing us to reassess the value of all humans to one another. Shows Earth to be a moat, but it's a precious moat, and for the moment, it's the only home we have. I actually don't know what the word moat means. M-O-T-E. Somebody, please look it up. The cosmic perspective finds beauty in the images of planets, moons, stars, and nebulae. But, oh, how about nebula as a name for your cat? Nebula. How about nebula and Andromeda? The cosmic perspective enables us to see beyond our circumstances, allowing us to transcend the primal search for food, shelter, and a mate. The cosmic perspective reminds us that in a space where there is no air, a flag will not wave, an indication that perhaps flag waving and space exploration do not mix. The cosmic perspective not only embraces our genetic kinship with all life on Earth, but also values our chemical kinship with any yet to be discovered life in the universe. Chemical kinship. We all come from stars, as well as our atomic kinship with the universe itself. At least once a week, if not once a day, we might each ponder what cosmic truths lie undiscovered before us, perhaps awaiting the arrival of a clever thinker, an ingenious experiment, or an innovative space mission to reveal them. We might further ponder how those discoveries may one day transform life on Earth. Absent such curiosity, we are no different from the provincial farmer who expresses no need to venture beyond the country line because his 40 acres meet all his needs. I don't see anything wrong with being a farmer, though. Just saying. Yet, if all our predecessors had felt that way, the farmer would instead be a cave dweller, chasing down his dinner with a stick and a rock. During our brief stay